So another summer item which I would like to fix in my car is the parking handle lever. So the issue is that mine got really brittle and it broke in between, and since the installation of the footwell is on 3 screws and one is here, someone in the past used a screwdriver, repeatedly up and down and up and down, and now I have a groove here, what I don't like. So actually that's why I'm taking this one. The install is fairly simple. You have to remove the driver's side footwell, so left hand drive, 3 screws, and you have to unhook the wire going in here. Basically just grab it, pull it down, and the same goes for the installation, but of course I will show you that. I have no complaints about the quality. It's sturdy, it's rough, it's tough. I like the glossy finish, the sticker. Let's go to the car. Okay, so today we are replacing this one. Step 1, of course, unhook your brake. Be sure that your transmission is in park, and you have to remove this footwell. So you have 3 screws. One is here, the second one is here, and the third one is about here. So we have to unscrew those 3. The footwell will come off, but take care because the footwell is mounted as well here, so it's out of 2 parts. So if you don't want everything to fall down, just be careful about this. So I have unscrewed all of the 3 screws and it did not go off yet because here you have the air duct. I'm not sure if you can see it. You can see it now. This will require you to fit it on. It will take some time, but don't push it, just go gently. So let's take it off. Okay, just a heads up. So this is the screw which is holding the footwell inside. But this is the same screw which is holding the holder of the release pedal. So I would advise put the screw for the installation of the lever back, and then remove it so we can put the footwell back. So let's just show what I mean. Okay, so just for the installation of the handle, I have put back this screw. But after you slide the handle in and catch the wire, remove this one because this one is connecting here the footwell and it's fixing it up. So don't forget. Add it just so you can easily slide it in and not break things, and remove it, put the footwell on. So to remove the old one, so depress the parking brake, pull the lever a bit out so you gain some access, and then try with a screwdriver or something to push this one out like I did. So this is now flexible because, as I mentioned, this one, okay, much easier. This one goes inside here, and you have to first catch the groove and then push it back in. Okay, so there's no easy way to shoot this, but in any case, this has to go here. You can pull this one out, catch the line in here, and then put it in. Sorry about that, guys, but it's really tight space. I can try, but in any case, no, so it won't go. So pull it out so we have some extra space. Try to put it in the groove, and then it should pop right in the hole. Okay, so I managed. So it has to look a bit like this, and then you just push the round part inside and it will hook itself. So that's that.